Hey there. Need to access cash from your Schwab brokerage or checking account? Withdrawing money is straightforward, but the timing depends on your method. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to withdraw. The most common method is an electronic funds transfer (EFT) back to your linked bank account. Go to Transfer and Payments, select the from account, your Schwab account with cash, the to account, your linked bank, and the amount. You can also use your Schwab Visa debit card at any ATM worldwide for fee-free withdrawals, or write a check from your Schwab bank checking account. My crucial pro tip? Mind the settlement time for securities. If you sell a stock or fund, you must wait for the trade to settle, typically 2 business days, before that cash is available to withdraw. Always check your cash available to withdraw balance, not just your total account value. That's how you plan your cash flow and avoid delays. Do you keep a cash reserve in your brokerage account, or only transfer money in when you're ready to invest? Share your strategy below. For more guides on managing investment cash flow, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.